Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of different ways that you can cut your hair into a bob. Now when it comes to the bob haircut, there are so many different ways that you can kind of style this particular look. And one of the trends that we're seeing this season is a tousled bob, a bob that isn't as structured, such as this one. There are so many different ways that you can rock this particular trend. So if you've been longing to cut your hair into a bob haircut, I hope that you will be able to get some great ideas from this video. So here we have this blonde bob haircut. This one is on a dramatic angle. She does have longer bangs in the front. And then we move on to the next one. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. The stylist does add in some color and he decides to cut the hair shorter into more of a bob shape. So she got more of a traditional blunt style bob, middle part down the center. This is a very popular hair option for the 2023 season. So if you are looking to kind of try something a little bit more dramatic, blunt ends are a great way to go. So next up we do see another angled bob. This one does feature longer bangs cascading back. And if you are curious about more of the hair trends that we're going to be seeing this year, definitely check out the description box. I have quite a few videos where I talk about more of the trends that are going to be hot. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest hair trends. So here's another beautiful lob haircut that is of course a longer bob. This one features really long bangs in the front, perfect for framing her face. So with the next transformation, she starts off with a little bit hair past the shoulders. And the stylist is going to be adding beautiful bangs to this. And of course, cutting her hair into a bob. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way that it looked tousled with the curls as well as kept straight. Alright you guys, so thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed these bob haircuts, please be sure to give it a like. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest hair trends.